What's up guys, today I'm going to show you top 4 weapons to use against your children in the basement. So yeah, I ran from the dirt because you did too hard on my children and all of them died, but tomorrow I'm stealing a child, so click that subscribe button and post notifications so you can see how I steal it. So yeah, let's get started. So the first weapon is that's from a tower. I don't know how it's called, but if you're a beginner, consider using this because it's really good for not that nasty children. It's really fast and not that hurting. So yeah, let's get to the second one. A hair dryer. You should just stuff it in his ass and put it on. It's really good, especially if it's hot. But for that you need to get him for sleep or some shit like that. So let's get to the third one. That's from my mom. That's what my mom uses against me. It's a sleeper. It's really good. It's not that bad and it's really good. So yes, let's get to the fourth one, which for me is the best, which is this, because it has two options. You can smack his ass, and here is the fourth one. Sorry for the break, because as I said, you can use it like that against your children, and if they're too nasty, you just get that thing off. Wait a minute, just get that thing off like that and stuff it in there really hard. Yeah, that's so. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, tomorrow I'm stealing a kid, so you should definitely consider like and subscribing and turn post notifications on because you don't want to miss that part. So see you there. Bye.